Hello everyone. I used to snore very badly every night, and both my wife and I, our sleep were affected. I went to see the doctor. He wired me up and he diagnosed me with sleep apnea and that my heart stopped beating once every 15 minutes. My wife, who is a clinical aromatherapist, she blended a special blend called Anti-Snoring essential oil for me. So what I do is every night before I sleep, I put 5 drops into my diffuser and diffuse. Wow, what a difference it makes. We both slept well because I don't snore anymore. And we wake up refreshed. Nila Anti-Snoring Essential Oil is good for you.